Apple cider vinegar power shot, a better alternative to probiotics. Great for high cholesterol, candida, heartburn and more. Apple cider vinegar is definitely something we should all have at home all year round, as it offers hundreds of benefits for our health and household. Despite its recent surge in popularity, the benefits of apple cider vinegar have been well known for centuries. It has been used to treat scars and acne, regulate blood sugar, and accelerate weight loss. It is made from apple cider that has undergone fermentation to form health-promoting probiotics and enzymes, so it contains less sugar and fewer calories than apple cider or apple juice. It is a rich source of beneficial enzymes and bacteria that destroy harmful pathogens in the gut and strengthen the immune system. Researchers have found that it is also helpful in the treatment of type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol levels, anxiety, heartburn, candida, eczema, and much more. The following power shots will help you reap all the amazing benefits of the potent apple cider vinegar. Just a teaspoon daily will provide high amounts of antioxidants, help you fight inflammation in the body, improve the function of the liver, boost the immune system, and more. Here is how to prepare them. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder or fresh ginger, pinch of black pepper, 4 tablespoon organic juice or water. Instructions: all you have to do is to mix the ingredients listed above. Then, drink a large glass of water. Repeat twice daily, in the morning and in the afternoon.